Oh no. Welcome to YAIC episode number 3. Today I'm going to be attempting to make a fidget spinner out of wood. First off, I'm going to need to take off all the weights and the bearing inside, and I need to measure how big the hole is so I can drill the size hole that I need, and then I have to shape it, and that should be it. Let's go. First I'm going to need to take off the caps.
And then I just need to take off the bearing.
Perfect, now that all that's done, I'm just going to save this stuff and use it when I make the fidget spinner.
Oh, rip. Now I'm just going to sand out the thickness and then finish off the sanding on the sides. I think that's a good width. I might do a little bit more, but
Alright, so this is what I have left for the sanding around the sides to really make the shape, and I'll do that quick. Oh my gosh. Pine did not work, so I have to do this all over again. Hooray! I almost just died. At this point, I kind of realized that you're supposed to drill the holes before you shape it, you dummy. Alright, so my phone died, but basically I'm going to be using this pine. Now I'm going to be making my own little weights on the sides because I think it's too thin for me to hollow out and add the heavier weights, which will stick out anyway. So I think I'm going to make my own. Alright, here I go.
Now we just gotta wait. Yes. That should do it. Hopefully it glues properly.
Just coming back, looking at it. Looks like it dried pretty well. Now I think I'm just going to start sanding. I think I'm going to be using this one. I think that's too powerful. I think it'll break. So let's just get some hand sanding in. Alright, so this is the finished fidget spinner. This one, I think I'm just going to leave as an unfinished fidget spinner just to have, just to keep, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so this one I made my own little wooden weights. This wood was much more sturdy than the other. The other one broke a couple times, but this one I really love. Thank you for watching this YAIC video. I'm going to shout out my teacher, Miss Crowley, and my friend Charlie for giving me the idea to do this. I do not know if either of them have YouTube channels, so I'm just going to use their names. So, anyway, thank you for watching. Hopefully you liked it. Tell me if you want to see anything like this again. Leave what you want to see in the comments below. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.